What is up, y'all? It's your favorite Barbie here, back at it again with another video for you guys. And as y'all can tell by the title of today's video, your girl's back at it again with another wig install. So yeah, I'm gonna get cute for the last time, and I promise y'all this the last time. Like, after this wig, I'm getting my hair done again for back to school, okay? Because it's not my back to school hairstyle, okay? As y'all can tell by the title of this video is sponsored by ISHOW Hair. They sent me this 4x4 24-inch, I believe, curly wig to install and review for you guys. So I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, this video is sponsored by ISHOW Hair. So this is what the packaging look like. It comes in a little drawstring bag. Basically, what comes inside. So they send me wig cap, and they also have the thank you card. It says thank you for choosing ISHOW Hair. It says make a video and get 20% off over 4 minutes. So yeah, that's what the front, and on the back it just says their email and also how to get money off like your orders when you guys order wigs or whatever, and also says their social medias and all of that. Yep, thank you ISHOW Hair for sponsoring this video. This is actually my first closure wig like ever. I have never actually ever installed a closure wig before, so we gonna see, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite easy. Yeah, this is 24 inches. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. I'm probably gonna have to plug this a little bit, but yeah, this is the wig. Well, this is the closure wig. This is 4x4 closure. It has all the clips inside, and as y'all can see, the hair, the curl pattern is giving what it's supposed to be gave. So yeah, going through this wig, my fingers go like they slide right through this wig, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be a great install, but we're gonna see. This hair feels very good. It feels different than my other wigs for some reason, but it's not a bad thing. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell so you won't miss out on any live videos. Why are you watching me and not subscribe? Like, why would you be watching me and not subscribe? Like, make sure you guys subscribe to me. Also hit the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I post. Let's install this wig because yeah. Okay, so I kind of forgot how I'm supposed to install this wig because it's a closure wig and not a 13x4 or 13x6. Okay, but I do know that I'm not supposed to like do it how I do my like my 13x4 13x6 wig. So I'm gonna just glue it on my forehead because this wig gonna have to go in a few days anyways, because back to school, I go back to school next week, so I'm going to be getting my hair done again. But y'all know how my last wig install, you know, I play some music or whatever, so we're about to turn up. Okay, we're about to turn up to some music. I might play some Tusi because you already know your girl got a whole playlist of Tusi, but I'm just put this in fast motion and y'all gonna watch me, you know, do what I gotta do. And I can say that my heart cold, my heart cold. I got bad habits, I don't want you to know. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. So this is the wig. Oop, I know y'all see my mirror purr, but okay, this is how the plucking is going so far. I'm kind of almost done plucking. I have to pluck a little bit more so it can look more natural, but when I'm done, I'm gonna finally get to installing this wig because y'all gonna come for my head. Okay, let's install this. play with me. Do not play with me, period. Y'all, for my first time installing a closure wig, like I know how to install like, you know, regular wigs or whatever, but closure wigs, babes, it's giving what it's supposed to be gave. But I feel like this part is not giving. Probably have to redo it, I don't know. But I think I'm more in love with closure wigs than like the regular wigs. But like it depends like on the hairstyle that I want. Like if I wanted a half up, half down, I could do it with this style. I mean this hair or any type of closure wig. It just depends on the hairstyle I want. That closures are like are needed. Basically what I'm saying is like I'm more in love with closure wigs. It depends on like the style that I want in my head. And I heard that closure wigs last longer, so we gonna see. But what I'm about to do is lay this hair. Let me finish parting this. Ooh, where's my brush? I have to brush this out. But this hair is giving, this hair looks black. I don't know, it's not natural color, it looks black. I can do it all. I can play sucker watermelon to a song. Every other day, new wig, new hair. Round that left truck, I read it. Give him out that respect and every single team right. Until later, don't want to this is the final look. I look good, y'all. So yeah, this is the final look of the hair. I've waited and put mousse as y'all seen, and it's been like this for a good hour now. It did puff up a little bit because, you know, I just kept playing with the curls or whatever. But this is the curls as y'all can see. I'm gonna give this wig a good 9 out of 10, and the reason why it's not a 10 out of 10 is because I don't know, like I don't know, maybe because like these curls, I never had these type of curls on my head before, so it just makes me look a little bit different, okay? But I like it overall. I could take a mains if I want to, but look, for you, I don't want to. This hair is very soft. The only thing that caught my eye was that this hair is 24 inches, but like in like reality, it don't look 24 inches, but like it's like right here. I don't know if that's how my last wig was. Probably was like a good 1 inch lower. I don't know. I can't blame because curly hair, when you get like a certain inch, it's going to look shorter than how long the inches is, because like This could be 24-inch, but in straight hair it's gonna be like a good, it's probably gonna be like longer than what it is for curly hair. You know what I mean, y'all? You understand? Okay. I'm pretty sure this hair color is black because I don't know. Do y'all think this is black? I'ma see, because this looks black, and black hair on me brings out my face more, so this looks most definitely black. This took at literally 1 hour to install. This was way faster than install a 13x4 or 13x6 lace. So yeah, for my first time to install a closure wig, don't play with me. So yeah, I'm sure I have a discount code. I'm not sure, but if I do, I will put it on the screen, also in the description box down below, along with the link to this hair, their website, and also the info, you know, like their contact info, email, all of that, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of that, description box down below. So I always tell y'all when I have sponsors, just make sure you guys check my description box so you know you get what you need. Okay, so yeah, also make sure you guys to follow my Instagram. Like, if I'm really not on YouTube, if you want to, you know, text me, contact me, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen, also in the description box down below, along with my other social media such as, you know, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. So, love y'all, stay safe, peace out, bye, see you on the next video.